Good morning guys. Nandito tayo sa St. Laurent Beach, Sandpiper Beach actually. With the gang. Yan guys. Malakas ang alon. Guys, maalat ngayon. It's so windy. Good morning guys. Nandito tayo sa Sandpiper Beach. Medyo maalon ngayon. Mahangin. Yeah. Hello, Mr. Matthew. Kape. Yeah, coffee ko. Austin. Popcorn. Tingnan natin anong ginagawa nila guys.
Daddy! Daddy, home!
Kain muna tayo guys. Yung mga kasama ko nagluluto.
Balot! Balot! Buti, ready siya sa niya, may lutuan. Kailan mo binili? Kapon?
Parang mates, maganda ang gulo mo dyan.
Lamok dyan. Huwag mong pag... Next. Hili-sali mo muna dito. Kaya?
Oh, yung itlog mo.
Oo, laki ng lamok. Dati siya. Hindi ko pala na-reply. Okay, tama mga sige. I will reply. Pwede makasisi. Pero, okay, tama mga sige. Hindi nag-message si Sherpot? Ay, hindi rin. Kasi si ate siya lang nag-message eh.
Kainan na guys. Okay.
Lalaglag niya yung drinks niya. Kailangan mo i-wash. Oo. Halika na, Tita Grace. Kain na.
Kailan na.
Ito para ano tayo, family.
Sige. Kainan na guys. Saan?
Wala pa rin yung pakpak niya.
Yeah. Coming on Monday.
What did you order?
Timo ate. Yeah. Malakas ang alon. Malakas pa rin ang alon guys. Kelly. Guys, tambay-tambay muna. Oh. Ano masabi pa rin?
Malamig.
Malamig. Mr. Matthew.
The coffee dito.
Hi, Ninang Jean.
Hi! Welcome to the vlog!
Si Ninang Sonia malakas makapag Donya.
Donya Budin.
Dahil kita ba dito?
Nakuha na mo ba?
Sino? Hindi ko natitignan kasi si Lizel magaganyan mamayang gabi.
Ay, nagsabi na okay.
Dito tayo guys. Inihaw. Okay. Baka makita yung singit-singit.
Papasama na naman tayo sa vlog ni Pare Fredo.
Kaya nga.
Ay, ito na. Wow, ganda. Dadating si Ninang bata? Sige, mas pinombra ka. Minantika, anak.
Guys, may nagtitinda na ice cream dito sa istenda. Can we buy ice cream? Yeah. Ice cream sa St. Laurent.
What do you got? What do you want? Pick one. What do you want? This one? Okay, one popsicle. You want this one?
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob. Ate, what do you want?
This one.
This one, the cone? Are you having, oh my god, this is a lot of
Pastor ate.
good. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Two of this one and one of this.
One
Hey, what else?
$19.
Gusto mo, Fredo?
I'm good. Sige, ate lang dyan. Ayos
So
na.
just two of this one. And ate, Again, this one or this one? This one.
Nan manlilibre si birthday girl.
I hang on, you don't have change? Yeah? Okay, okay. How much is our total?
That's $19.
19?
Dad.
Yeah, they bought a lot there.
Is it include the tax already?
Whereabouts? Yes. We need more change.
Your mom's coming.
Go and get mom.
No, just give me how much is this? 19?
Yeah, we'll get the kids going. When was Magnum?
There you go.
Yes, thank you.
Guys.
Yay!
Si thank you to Ninang Jean.
Thank you, Nina.
Thank you. Do you want some? Okay, come on. Ay, here, you can take it.
We'll be back.
Oh.
Nakakaraw na ng idea. Wow, SpongeBob!
Yeah.
Spanya rin.
Wash my face with a
Ah, sige, yung
Tingnan natin yung mukha ni Tonya, Sonya.
with a sponge.
No. You have to eat that one.
Shabu, shabu.
So far. Ay, nagbibideo ka ba? Ako
Oo.
din ano lang sa
Mamaya. Thank you.
Okay.
Pakita muna natin si Alice para makita ng jowa niya.
Two bundles of gas today.
How's
Buka
that?
na kalaki.
Wait lang ito.
Who wants drinks? Hindi kayo nag-drinks. I will get drinks.
Hi, Shelly. Austin. Hello.
There's someone walking in there.